All right, so we are doing one-step equations again, and this time I was able to find a nice poster for you with all the different types of one-step equations. So there's addition equations, which you solve by subtracting on both sides. So you're always doing the opposite. There's subtraction equations, which you solve by adding on both sides. There's multiplication equations, which you solve with division. And then there's division equations, which you solve with multiplication. So whatever is attached to your variable, so here I have a plus 23 attached, that's what I'm getting rid of. It's the 23 that's got to go, so that's why I'm subtracting 23. For the division problem, this is x divided by 3. So I get rid of the divided by 3 by multiplying by 3. Okay? It's always the opposite. Then on the next slide, I just showed you your integer rules just to help remind you. So it's written out in words in this table, and then there's examples in the other table. So the ones that you're going to probably use the most are when you are adding or subtracting with integers. So for subtraction, if I have a negative 3 minus 5, it says change the sign of the subtrahend. So that's going to be negative 3 plus negative 5, and then that would be negative 8. If it were negative 3 plus 5, then you simply subtract because the signs are different. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and you copy the sign of the larger number, which is the 5, so this will be a positive 2. When you're multiplying or dividing, if I have 15 divided by negative 5, my answer is negative. And if I have negative 15 divided by negative 5, my answer would be positive. Same for multiplication. If there's one negative, the answer is negative. If there's two negatives, the answer is positive. So now we're going to go and solve some one-step equations, and then you'll be able to check your work.